In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Getquin. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what you're looking at, so you can confidently navigate the platform's core views. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Getquin app. If you land on the dashboard from onboarding, that's perfect. This is the home base you'll come back to often. Before you do anything else, look for the login button, typically in the top right corner, and click it. On the login page, sign into your account using your usual method. Enter your credentials only on the official site and consider using a password manager and two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're in, you'll be taken back to your dashboard. Next, access net worth. This area gives you a clear snapshot of your total financial position, what you own minus what you owe. Take a moment to scan the headline figure and the accompanying chart. You can usually adjust the time frame to see how your net worth has changed over days, months, or longer periods. This view is great for spotting trends, understanding the impact of market moves, and keeping your long-term trajectory in focus. If the number seems different from what you expect, remember that market values update and reflect current pricing, so swings are normal. From there, move to wealth. Think of wealth as your comprehensive hub that organizes your finances into digestible sections. It's where you'll drill down from the big picture into the details that matter day to day. Once you're in wealth, you'll see options to review specific parts of your financial life. Open investments within wealth. Here, you'll find your holdings, performance, and allocation. Scan the list of positions to see current values and daily or cumulative changes. Use filters or sorting to focus on top performers, underperformers, or specific asset types. The allocation or breakdown view helps you understand your diversification across categories like stocks, funds, or cash. If you're comparing timeframes, switch the period to see how performance shifts over the short and long term. This is the place to gauge what's driving your returns and whether your portfolio mix matches your goals. Finally, access cash flows. This view brings together incoming and outgoing money, such as dividends, interest, deposits, and withdrawals, so you can see how funds move through your accounts over time. Adjust the date range to spot patterns like recurring inflows or seasonal expenses. If something looks unusual, use the list to drill into the specific entries and understand what changed. That's it. You've navigated login, net worth, wealth, investments, and cash flows, the essential flow for using Getquin effectively.